write down this. Yes. My volume is full, my dear. I have kept my volume full. It is in the center. It is in the center. See the adjustment. Okay. Chalo. Start writing. Polynomial. First point you write before 9.4. I have to explain this concept. Polynomial. 9.4. Polynomial. See, we have seen monomial means one term. Binomial means two terms. Trinomial means three terms. Multinomial means more than three terms. Now there is one concept, polynomial. Polynomial in one variable. We have seen any algebraic expression having two types. One is variable, other is constant. Variables are my hero, constants are villains. Constant means number. So what is polynomial? A polynomial in variable x is of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dash dash dash, means it will continue, where a, b, c are constants. Where a, b, c are constants. Power of x goes on increasing. Power of x goes on increasing. It is power of x is 1, the next term it is power of x is 2, dash 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 means next power of x will be 3. Yes. Where a, b, c are constant or number. So these are constant, a, b, c. So any polynomial, write down this so that I will explain by giving example. To solve 9.4, we need this explanation. So any polynomial is of the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dash dash dash, where a, b, c are constant. The power of variable x should be either 0 or greater than 0. The power of x should not be negative. In polynomial, the power of variable x should be either 0 or greater than 0. It should not be negative. The power of x should not be negative in polynomial. Then third point, degree of the polynomial is what? Degree of the polynomial is nothing but the highest power of x. The highest power of x is called degree of the polynomial. For example, yes, we'll see that in the solution. What is power of x? 1. What is power of x? 1. Then what is power of x? 2. What is the highest power of x? And now exercise 9.4. To solve exercise 9.4, we need this explanation. What is polynomial? What is degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial, it is the highest power. It is the highest power of variable x. For example, if the variable x has power 2, 3, 4, then among those power we select the highest power. That highest power will be the degree of the polynomial. Then whenever, fourth point, whenever, use the microphone, whenever variables are multiplied, we add the powers of the variables. Whenever variables are multiplied, we add powers of the variable. Now based on this, we have to solve. Write it fast, my dear. Write it fast. Now start 9.4. You have to start 9.4 based on this explanation of polynomial and degree of polynomial. Wait, no, my dear. Degree of the polynomial is the highest power of variable x. My dear, you write it, no? I will the highest power of variable x is called degree of the polynomial. That we will see in exercise 9.4. Everything I will explain in the exercise 9.4. What is, which are polynomial, which are not polynomial, then what is degree of the polynomial, everything we are going to explain. Standard 9th, yes. Yes, earlier period was there, now make it 6th. Yes. Because I was having 9th class. Now we will see exercise 9.4. My dear, you are 6th standard, no? Exercise 9.4. Which of the following expressions are not polynomials? First, which of the following expressions are not polynomials? A, x square y minus y square z plus minus z plus 3. Then B p square. Yes, I will write answer. You leave one line for the answer. P square plus p. First I am writing all the question. Then C, you leave one line for the answer. 2 upon b plus b square plus 1. You leave one line, no? D 3x raised to 1 upon 7. 3x raised to 1 upon 7 minus x square. Then E. 1 minute. No problem. 3x raised to 1 upon 7 minus x square. 3x raised to 1 upon 7 minus x square. Now it is clear, right? Then E 3 upon 2 x cube. 3 upon 2 x cube minus 4x square minus 1 by 2x plus 7. 1 by 2x plus 7. Then F phi L square minus 2m raised to minus 3 plus 7 lm. Then G y plus 3 upon y. Then H. 1 minute. Now it is clear, very much clear. H is z square. Z square plus 1 by 2. Now which are not polynomials here? Let me explain one by one. No, everything. Yes, that is what I am explaining. See, in A, which variables you can see? This is the polynomial in which variable? What are the variables? X, Y, Z. Yes. So this is a polynomial in variable x, y, z. Now what are the power of x2? What are the power of x2? y1, y2, z1, z1. So x, y, z are variables and they are having power, positive power. My dear, no power means one power. No power means one power. So all the variable x, y, z, they are having positive power. So this is polynomial. This is my polynomial. Polynomial in power of x, y, z are positive, no? Means they are greater than 1. They are 1 or greater than 1. What is power of x2? y1, y2, z1, z1. Now second one, p square plus p plus. Answer is polynomial, first one. What about second? What is power of p? 2. Power of p? 1. What is power of p? Not 1, not 1. See, this is 1 upon p. P is in the denominator. If p, whenever p is in the numerator, it will be a polynomial. Whenever you get 1 upon variable, means it is not polynomial. Whenever a variable is in the denominator, it is not a polynomial. Whenever variables are in the numerator with power positive, then only they are polynomial. Whenever variables are in the numerator with positive power or negative, non-negative power, so second one is not polynomial because you have 1 upon p. Variable is in the denominator, no? 1 upon p you circle. Because of that variable in the denominator, it is not a polynomial. What about c? B square plus, not polynomial because b is in the denominator, no? So 2, yes, but you circle so that you come to know for what reason it is not a polynomial. So this is not polynomial. Not polynomial because my variable is in the denominator, no? My variable is p. In these two, p is in the numerator, but in this third term, p is in the denominator. Whenever p is in the variable is in the denominator, it is not a polynomial. In this, my variable is b, but b is in the denominator, so it is not a polynomial. What about next? Right? No, my dear, it is not a polynomial. Yes, because of this power in the fraction. Power should be, whenever b is in the numerator, it is a polynomial. But here in these two, p is a variable, but p is in the denominator, so it is not a polynomial. In these two, b is in the denominator, so it is not a polynomial. In this d part, the power must be either 0 or greater than 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. They are the power of the polynomial. The power is in the fraction. Yes. So since the power is in the fraction, it is not a polynomial. Next one is polynomial because you can see the variable x numerator 3, x numerator power 2, x numerator power 1. So it is polynomial because the variable is in the numerator. Variable is in the numerator and all are having positive power. Yes. No, my dear. Whenever power of the variable, even. See here. What is power of x? 3. What is power of x? 2. What is power of x? 1. And the variables are in the numerator. Two things you have to. 1 minute. two things you have to check whether it is a polynomial. First, the variable should be in the numerator. Second, the power of the variable should be either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the power is negative or it is in the fraction, then it is not a polynomial. So power is fraction 1 upon 7. Next f what is not polynomial because power is negative. Power of m is negative. No, power of m is negative power, so it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Power is negative, so it is not a polynomial. What about next? Yes. Because this variable is in the denominator. Variable is in the denominator, so not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. What about last one? It is polynomial because power of z is 2 and z is in the numerator. No, my dear. Number can be in the denominator. Number can be in the fraction. You can circle -3. No problem. Polynomial. But what is thing for polynomial? The variable wait because all the variable they are in the numerator. All the variable they are in the numerator and their power is positive, so it is a polynomial. For polynomial, two things you have to verify. First, the variable should be in the numerator, and second, the power of the variable should not be negative or it should not be fraction. Not polynomial. 1 upon 3 will not be polynomial. Because power of that polynomial should be, power of that variable should be either 0, 1, it should be integer. Power of variable should be integer, non-negative integer, means 0, 1, 2, 3. No, my dear, you have to see, number can be in the fraction. Number can be in the fraction, but variable should not be in the fraction. Yes, here variable is in the numerator. That right, second one. LM is the variable. LM and they are variable. Arey my dear, LM is a variable. LM is a variable. Polynomial means it is an algebraic expression where variables are in the numerator and power of variable should be either 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. If the power of the variable is negative or the variable is in the denominator, then in both the case it is not a polynomial. If the power of the variable is negative or the variable is in the denominator, then it is not a polynomial. It is very much clear, right? Then it is not a polynomial. Let us solve second. Second, write down the degree of the following polynomial. Write down the degree. Write down the degree of the following. Write down the degree of the following polynomials. Following polynomials. You have to write down the degree. Degree means the highest power of the variable. Degree means highest power of the variable. First, 6x cube plus 5x square plus 4x you have to find the power of each variable. In each term you have to find the power. What is power of x? 3. Power of x is 3. Very good. What is power of x? 2. Very good. What is power of x? 1. So among this power 3, 2, 1, which is the highest? 3. So 3 is highest power. So highest power is, yes, highest power is 3 is equal to 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Degree of polynomial, in each term you have to find the power of the variable. So degree of the polynomial is equal to 3. So degree of the polynomial is highest power of the variable. Highest power of the variable is called your degree of the polynomial. Write down this A. Power of x 3, power of x 2, power of x 1. 3, 2, 1. They are the power of the variable. Among these 3, 2, 1, which is the highest? 3. So 3 is the degree of the polynomial. Power, highest power of the variable. We have to find the highest power. Right, second one. 9 minus y raised to 4, B. 9 minus y raised to 4. 9 minus y raised to 4. Which is the variable? 4. What is the variable? What is the variable? Y. What is power of y? 4. So 4 is, so 4 is the power, no? So degree is 4. Degree is 4. Now find second C part. 3. 3. See here, my dear. Wait, no, my dear. 3 means 3 I can write 3 into x raised to 0. 3 into 1. Then 1 I can write x raised to 0. Whenever the power is 0, the value is 1. So what is degree of that polynomial? What is the power of x? 0. So degree is 0. 1 I can write x raised to 0. 1 minute. 3 is constant. There is no variable. Yes or no? Whenever there is no variable, means its degree is 0. Because 3 I can write 3 into 1. Then 1 I can write x raised to 0. What is power? 0. No, whenever, my dear, but 3 is not a variable, no, my dear. 3 is a number. You have to find the power of the variable. You don't have to find. So whenever there is no variable, then we find. Yes, whenever there is no variable means its power is 0. Next, p square plus, p square plus pqr. What is power of this? 2. What is power of this? pqr. Now all of you stop writing, pay attention. All of you stop writing because this is different. Power of p is 2. Power of p is 2. Now whenever the variables are multiplied, see the fourth point. Whenever the variables are multiplied, we have to add the power. So p, q, r, they are the variable, they are multiplied. What is power of p? 1. Power of q? 1. Power of r? 1. So you have to add the power. 1 plus 1 plus 1. You have to add the power. 3. So what is the highest power? 3. So degree is 3. Degree is 3. Degree is 3. Because whenever the variables are multiplied, you have to add the power. Whenever the variables are multiplied, whenever the variables are multiplied, we have to 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Dot means multiplication. Then 1 I can write x raised to 0. What is power? 0. So degree is 0. Whenever there is no variable, then degree of that polynomial is 0. Then E 3x raised to 5 upon x cube minus 8x raised to 4 upon x cube plus 7. Wait 1 minute. Now it is clear, right? Now in this what? No, you see the adjustment of your phone. 3x raised to 5. See here. Wait. X raised to 5 means what is my head x? Power 5. X raised to 5 means you have to multiply x 5 times. You have to multiply x 5 times. X raised to 5 means you have to multiply x 5 times. Then x raised to 3 means you have to multiply x 3 times. Then multiply x 4 times. X. Then multiply x 3 times. X. Then plus 7 we write as it is, plus 7. Now you cancel the common term of numerator and denominator. Cancel the common term. X get cancelled with x get cancelled with x get cancelled with x. Then for x raised to 5, you have to multiply x 5 times, x raised to 3 multiply x 3 times, then cancel. Now in this also x raised to 4 multiply x 4 times, cancel x. So what is left now? Tell me, what is left? Now in first term how many x are remaining? 2x. Yes. So what that will be? Yes. So that will be 3 into x into x. 3 into x into x. In second, 1x is left. Minus 8 into x plus 7. Wait. 3x into x I can write x power 2 minus 8x plus 7. After simplifying, now you find the degree. What is power of x? 2. What is power of x? 1. Among this 1 and 2, which is the highest? 2 is the highest. So 2 is the highest. Highest power is 2. No, 7 is a constant. Highest power is 2. Because my dear, it is 3 is there, no? 3 into x into x. So degree of the degree of polynomial is 2. After simplifying, degree of polynomial is 2. Degree of the No, my dear. See here, my dear. No. Don't take that way. Whenever you have to simplify, you cannot take directly 5 because there is x cube. Division is there, no? Division. Yes. But that rule. No. My dear, you have to see for degree. You have to see the power of the variable. 7 is my constant. If you want, you can write degree of this as 0. You can write degree of this as 0. No problem. Basically, So you will see the degree of that. Are you getting? Huh? How many times that you see? Arey my dear, x raised to 5 means you will multiply x 5 times. X raised to 3 means you will multiply x 3 times. X raised to 4 means you will multiply x 4 times. X raised to 3 means multiply x 3 times. That's all. My dear, plus 7 is already there in the question. Plus 7, we write plus 7. We have cancelled. We have cancelled the term. X get cancelled. 2x is left. X into x. Yes. Then my dear, no, plus 7 is already in the question, my dear. Plus 7. Plus 7 we are writing as it is. Plus 7 we are not touching. Plus 7 we are not touching. Clear? Yes. Let me explain one more time. Chalo. Nobody will disturb. 3x raised to 5 upon x cube. X raised to 5 means you have to multiply x 5 times. X. X raised to 3 means multiply x 3 times. Then minus 8. X raised to 4 means multiply x 4 times. Multiply x 3 times. Plus 7. Then you have to cancel the common term of numerator and denominator. X get cancelled x. Then this is left. X get cancelled. Then x is left. Then 3 into x minus 8 into x plus 7 is left. X into x means x is multiplied 2 times. So 2 will go in the power, x raised to 2. X is multiplied once, so x raised to 1 plus 7. Now after simplification we find the degree. What is power of x? 2. What is power of x? 1. In 7 there is no variable. 7 is a constant. 7 there is no variable. So whenever there is no variable, its degree is 0. Now among these 2, 1, 0, which is the highest? 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2 because 2 is highest. 2 is the highest power. Then f 3l square mn upon lm plus 5. So you simplify this. L square means L into L. Then mn means m into n. Upon lm means L into n. Plus 5. Now you cancel the common term. Cancel the common term. M get cancelled. Then 1L get cancelled. Then what is left? What is left? Tell me. 3 into L. L into N. Plus 5. Then this I can write 3ln plus 5. 3ln plus 5. Now in ln and n, they are the variable. What is power? Whenever variables are multiplied, you have to add the power. What is power of L? What is power of L? 1. What is power of n? 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Are you getting? Whenever the variables are multiplied, you have to add their power. What is power of L? 1. Power of n? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. So degree of the polynomial is 2. So degree is 2. Degree of the polynomial is 2. Yes. That we'll see further. Yes, we have to add the power. Whenever the variables are multiplied, you have to add the power. 1 minus 4 1 minus 4x cube, plus 7x raised to 5. Now in this, what is power of 1? See, in 1 there is no variable, no? 0. 1 there is no variable, so degree is 0. What is power of x? What is power of x? 3. What is power of x? 5. So which is the highest? 0, 3, 5. Which is the 5? So degree is 5. Degree of the polynomial is 5. It is the highest power of the variable. Then h 3x square y square z, 3x square y square z, 3x square y square z, minus y raised to 5, minus y raised to 5, plus x cube y, plus x cube y, x cube y. Now whenever the variables are multiplied, you have to add the power. X, y, z, they are multiplied. What is power of x? 2. What is power of y? 2. What is power of z? 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, what is that? 5. Then what is power of y? 5. Power of y is 5. Then what is, now again the variables are multiplied. So add their power. What is power of x? 3. What is power of y? 1. So 3 plus 1. How much? 3 plus 1, no. Variables are 4. So which is the highest? 5, 5, 4. Which is the highest? 5. So degree is 5. 5, 5, 4. Which is the highest? 5. So degree is 5. Degree is 5. Degree is 5. Right. Then I it is 5x raised to 0. 5, wait no my dear. 5x raised to 0. What is the degree? What is the power of x? What is the power? 0. So degree is 0. Degree of this is 0. Degree is 0. Because see this, x raised to 0. This 0. Full told period is over. 2 minutes are left. My dear. Okay, now we stop. Chalo, ठीक है. We stop here. See you. Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Degree of the polynomial is highest power. Degree